Well, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to decorate my two-tier tray for winter. I want to incorporate some of the things that I had in there for Christmas that I don't have to put away yet, but I also have some new things that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, just a couple of things. I don't know if I'll use everything in this tray, but I can certainly sprinkle it out throughout the house to give it that winter vibe. I also want to show you at the end of my video, I will show you how I took my mantle that I had decorated for Christmas, and I liked it so much I didn't want to take it down. But I did take out the very Christmassy things and I added in some winter things so that it has a great winter vibe, and I can leave it that way until the spring. So I want to do the same thing with my two-tier tray. I want to incorporate things that will last this whole entire season until I'm ready to get ready for spring and summer. So with that said, I'm going to give my bird a chip so that she won't make all this tons of noise while we're getting going, and then I'm gonna show you everything I have and then put it in the tray. So stick with me, guys. Alrighty, so what I have on my tier tray is the houses that I had picked up from Target, and I have two of them, and these had a little light in them that made it very Christmassy. I shut off the light. It pretty much, it dimmed quite a bit, but it lasted throughout the season. But I don't need to have the light on for the winter months. So I have those. I have my little greeneries that go from season to season. I have two of those. I have my little pedestals, and these are from Magnolia Home. No, it's Hearth and Hand from Target. It's Joanna Gaines. So I have two of those little pedestals, and I have my little green pedestal, which this was probably just from Michael's or someplace like that. I have one sprig of lamb's ear. I have my blessed candle that I have had for a while. This is a Ray Dunn from TJ Maxx. All right, and then I just have my cotton on there. So let me show you what's new. So I got a couple of things from Etsy, and these are just, I'll link below where I got them. And these are just, one is a little pillow that has a snowflake. It's so cute. And then the other one, this is handmade, which is why I love Etsy. And this is a little plaque that says, "Let it snow." So those are two new things that I'm gonna add. And I am going with a black and white theme. So what I picked up new from Hobby Lobby is I picked up these two black and white coffee mugs, and that's what I will sit my little greeneries in. So I have those, and they were on, I don't know if these, I think, yeah, these are spring, and the spring was all on sale for 40% off. Or even 50% when I went. I don't know, but they were only $3 a piece, so I probably got them for $1.50. And then I got this little thankful, grateful, blessed little sign. I liked it for the beads. I don't really have anything with beads, except I do have this little sign that I might be using, which I had in the house. And this is, I don't know if you can see it, but it's Forever in Love. And I like it because it has these beads, these nice big beads. I couldn't find anything at Hobby Lobby. Like, I couldn't find any bead garland And then I picked up this little jug because it was black and white and I thought it looked really cute. I picked up this little sign that says home, and it has like a little leather, I don't know, looks like a keychain really. But I thought that that was cute. I liked the texture in the leather, and I loved the home and the black and white. I picked up this little gather sign. I don't know if I'll use these in this. I liked it just because it is the little portend of spring to come, and it was white, and it's just in a little galvanized can here, and it's just lilies of the valley, which are one of my favorites that you usually see popping up in the yard on its own for, you wonder how it got there. This was floral. I believe the floral at the time that I went was 50% off. This is $12.99, but I got it for $6. So I'm not sure if that's going in there or not. All right, so I have everything all out on my table. I'm just gonna start placing it into my tray. I'm gonna give the tray a once over with my cloth, with my lemon oil, just to give it a fresh clean before I start putting everything in. Alrighty. I guess I forgot to mention this little snowflake. This is also from Etsy, and this was another one that was handmade. And this this little black house, and this, I picked this up from Hobby Lobby as well. All right, so I didn't use everything, obviously, but I think it came out really good. So let me just bring it in here for you to see. I didn't use the lilies of the valley, but I have used my greenery. I've used my little cotton balls to give it that wintry vibe. I've used my snowflake and my sign, my home up here, my other snowflake, and on this side, because you can see this from all angles because it's on my table, I used this little love thing, little ball sphere that's sitting up on this pedestal. I've got the two houses up here and my little jug just kind of peeking out. And on this side, I have the little houses tucked in the back there. And I've got my little pillow here with a couple more things of cotton. My little sign with the beads. And, you know, obviously from the side. So from all angles, it's just very pretty and it's just very wintry, and it's a great little centerpiece. I'm very happy with how it came out to me. It looks gorgeous, and it looks very wintry. So if you remember, this is most of what I had on my mantle at Christmas time, except I had some signs that said Joy and Noel. I also had the Merry Christmas sign up there. So all I did was take down the Merry Christmas sign. I added that little mirror that looks like a window, and my little lamb's ear wreaths that 2 out of the 4 that I have that I was using in the windows. But I thought that that would give it just a wintry vibe. I turned my candle around, but I have my winter birch with my little cardinals that my daughter gave me for Christmas, which I think are absolutely beautiful, from Yankee Candle. And everything else is still just there from Christmas, and I think that it will be fine to keep this up through winter. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye for now.